Welcome back, Tech Explorers. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning about how to connect your mBot robot to your computer using a USB connection. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is plug in your mBot to your computer via the USB cable. USB cables are pretty useful because they make for a quick and easy connection, and also you don't need like an extra battery pack or anything. So you can just switch it on once you're connected, and you'll see a little red light up telling you that this robot has power. Awesome. From here, we're going to open up mBot, which is a programming environment similar to MIT Scratch that is used to program these mBots. Now that we have it open, we can look at the top left hand of the screen of mBot. Press connect, scroll down to serial port, then you should have some sort of port that is available. I have COM4 because that is the port that we're currently plugged into. So I'm going to select that port. Now we should be connected, but to double check, we can do something. We can look under the Robots tab right here, look at the icon that says mBot, and to the right of it, there should be a little colored circle. If the circle's green, that means you're connected. If it's red, it means you're not. We're green, so we're good to go. Enjoyed that video? Well, click here to subscribe, and be sure to check out our website at www.techexplore.org.